Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how the HomeTeam works. One of the functions of HomeManager is for homeowners to create their own personal contact list of preferred professionals and vendors that their local community is using. To get started, you can always access the HomeTeam on the left menu. When you first get in, you'll see two tabs at the top, which are HomeTeam and Discover Professionals. The HomeTeam tab will always be selected automatically, and this is where you will build up your contact list of trusted professionals. Over on the right, there will be three dots near the search bar, which will open up a menu where you can share your HomeTeam contact list with anyone by printing it or emailing it. You can easily access contract templates, which are pre-made templates for anyone to use, or you can also add professionals that you already use and trust, but you know they aren't a part of HomeManager yet. This will send them an email inviting them to the system and is free of charge for them to sign up and have easy communication with their clients. Professionals will have status send invitation in purple underneath them if you don't have anyone added yet. You can hover over at the right and click Invite when it pops up. Then you can choose between Discover Professionals or Invite New Professional. Now the Discover Professionals tab allows you to find vetted professionals near you. Professional profile cards will only appear once that specific professional is already on 3 HomeTeams, which means they need to be invited onto the system by 3 separate homeowners that already trust and use them. You can use a filter that filters by profession, location, or even how many HomeTeams the professional is on. We always want professionals that are new to our system to have a chance to be found by homeowners, so you'll first see new professionals shown at the top of the page. And then right below that, you can see a list of professionals based off of how many HomeTeams they are part of at the time. Once you find someone you would like to add to your HomeTeam, you can click the button that says Request to Join HomeTeam. This will then send them an email saying you would like them to join your HomeTeam. After sending requests to professionals, a new tab will appear at the top next to HomeTeam and Discover Professionals, named Pending Requests, just so you can keep track of who you've requested. If you see someone you would like to remember but you don't want to add them to your HomeTeam, you can hit this Like button, which will add them to a new tab called Prospective Professionals. Now this was a quick look at how the HomeTeam works. Thank you guys so much for watching. See ya!